Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a signed-in Google account and the calendar app available on web or phone. Once done, create distinct calendars for classes, assignments, exams, and personal to avoid clutter and control notifications. Make sure your time zone and week start are correct so events align with class times. Then set a sensible default event length. This speeds entry. These first steps let you segment academic life, control reminders, and prepare to add class schedules and syllabus dates efficiently. Now add the course schedule. You create repeating events for each class using custom repeat rules. Select the exact weekdays, start and end dates per semester, and room location. Once done, color code each calendar so visual scanning becomes instant. Choose consistent colors for classes versus assignments. Next, input syllabus milestones, midterms, project due dates, reading checks as separate events with early reminders. Make sure to attach the syllabus or key docs to events, so you always have reference material linked to the time. Finish by integrating tasks and collaboration. You add tasks for homework with due dates and subtasks, and link them to assignment events so nothing slips. Share relevant calendars with classmates or TAs, granting view or edit permissions as needed. This streamlines group deadlines. Finally, enable mobile sync and desktop notifications to stay alerted. If entries vanish or don't show, check calendar visibility toggles, account sync, and the correct calendar selected when creating events. This single troubleshooting step
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.